Hello, welcome. Today lesson will be on a technical analysis library in Python. So you can calculate various way technical indicator in Python. Recently I used last tutorial simple moving average and EMA calculation, buy and hold study versus technical analysis strategy. So in this lesson I will show there is a library in Python how you can calculate the simple moving average, exponential moving average and other indicator. In next tutorial I will explain Bollinger Band, RSI and MACD indicator, but in this tutorial I will show you only how to calculate simple moving average and EMA using the technical analysis library. So you have to install that library and import that library in your Python file. So you can see here I import Pandas TA as a TA. First you have to install, then you have to import that. Sometime it came Python in build, if it doesn't then you have to install. Then I pull the data, 5-year or 10-year data, Nifty data from, then I pull only close. Then I can show you what this TA library can do. So I will click just import all data. So this library has number of technical indicators, like you can see here log return, MACD, RSI. So in this library lot of technical indicator is there. You can see here has Bollinger Band is also there, CCI is also there, Ichimoku is also there, MACD is also there, log return is here, SMC, SMA, slope, skew, T signal, super trend, trend flex, tricks, here X signals, VWAP. Number of indicators in this library is present. So last tutorial I calculating using rolling window. Here I am using dfa.ta.sma. Using the same length I compare what it's going to declare. So let's run this. So you can see here SMA calculating using rolling and using TA is almost similar, almost same. So you can also use this library or you can use rolling, it's going to be same. Next you can see how it's work. help.ta.sma means you can see what's going on in simple moving average. This will indicator is simple moving average, a rolling sum of value of divided by the window period or a length. So this is a description you can read by pausing the video. You can see the how technical indicator is calculated. You can also use exponential moving average. Let's see. So using the .ewm and using the ta.ema is going to print a similar kind of result. So you can main is here help.sma, help dfa.ta indicator. You can pull any indicator using this library, or otherwise it's very difficult to calculate using mathematically calculation all indicators, technical analysis indicator. It is better to use a Python library. You can just few seconds calculate the EMA and SMA. In next lesson we can calculate complex indicator like RSI, Bollinger Band and MACD. Then in advanced lesson we can also make a strategy using this library, and then we compare all the step in one video. Then you can see how these indicator works in Python. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.